Moving straight into our sixth descriptive statement in competency 4, this one reads, knows and teaches strategies that facilitate making connections between and across multiple texts, such as summarizing and paraphrasing, locating and distinguishing between facts and opinions, determining whether a text supports or opposes an issue. Once again, this is all for students in grades 4 through 6. Here we have making connection leads to comprehending what you read. And that's the focus of this lesson. So let's get started. Recall that summarizing involves condensing the main ideas of a text into a brief overview. Now, you might be thinking, what's an effective way to teach it? So let's dive into that right now. First, start by modeling how to summarize a text. Read a shorter text aloud. Demonstrate creating a summary with main points, characters, and events. Your children will love to see you do it. Then allow for a chance to practice summarizing. Provide varied text for practice. Emphasize peer review for collaboration and also refining, getting better at it. To create a fun classroom activity, organize a summary jigsaw activity. This one's really fun. This is when you divide students into groups. Each group summarizes and presents. Class identifies cross-text connections that they see that they can find from the text that they've previously read or experiences from their own lives. Complete the activity with a review and reflection session in order to reflect on the activity's benefits. Also, emphasize the value of summary for comprehension and critical thinking. All right, great. Now let's move on to paraphrasing, which is rewording a specific passage from the text without changing its original meaning. In order to teach our students this skill, we can start with a read aloud and then demonstrate how to rewrite what we just read in our own words. Show the students your use of synonyms, changing of sentence structure, and ensure the original meaning stays intact. Next, give the students a chance to practice paraphrasing by providing the students with individual sentences, then progressing to paragraphs. Also, utilize peer review, where students share and compare their paraphrased reversions. Then, like teaching summarizing, the activity here can be another jigsaw activity. In this case, you'd want to divide students into groups, assign different texts. Each group paraphrases sections, and then they share it in large group class. The class connects the themes based on the paraphrased content. And once again, end with reflection and benefits by discussing the power of paraphrasing for deeper comprehension. And don't forget to highlight its value in drawing connections. Now, let's move on to the next section. This is teaching our students how to locate facts versus opinions. In order to teach the difference between a fact and opinion, use visual aids. Use contrasting colors for facts like blue and opinions such as orange. Next, model the thought processes to determine whether a statement is a fact or an opinion. Then, create a group activity. Provide students with a list of statements. Students categorize each as a fact or an opinion. Together discuss answers as a class, clarifying misunderstandings. And then let's move along to our final topic. And this is a new standard called determining textual stance on an issue. Some text may present a clear stance on an issue, either supporting or opposing, while others might provide a balanced view. Recognizing a text's stance aids in deeper comprehension and critical analysis. Facilitate the opportunity for students to practice determining textual stances on issues by reading 2 articles on the same topic, such as climate change, and organize the students to discuss or write about each article's stance on the urgency of addressing global warming. Need to pass your TExES core subjects exam? Click the link in the description below to get prepared faster, smarter, better, with everything you need all in one place. So you ace your exam and become a certified teacher with teacherpreps.com.